Hey guys, today let's learn how to add the View Shop button on your Instagram. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add that View Shop button over on your Instagram page. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out. Alright, guys, so all we need to do first is to launch the Instagram application, and I would like you to proceed with converting your account into a professional account. So once you've already done so, for those who don't know, I do have a tutorial upon that on this YouTube channel. Just go in and search for that, so that you guys could know how. Now, what we want to do from here is to go ahead and tap on the Edit Profile option. Scroll down until you see the option to add an action button. As you see, we have our profile information over here. We have our profile display and contact options. When you tap on your specific option to add an action button, well, let's try to go ahead and look for that. Let's see if it's under our professional settings. It's not over there. Could also go ahead and tap on error, contact options, or also our profile display. But if you want to go and locate where are the option for you guys to add the action button, let's try to go ahead and tap on professional dashboard. Now, once we're already here, of course, we could now go ahead and try to look for the action button that we wanna go ahead and add onto our profile. But basically, that should be located over on your profile information, right here under your page category, contact options, and profile display. Basically, you need to choose the option that you are a business and not a creator, so that you could have this so-called action button. And that's basically for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.